counties in New York, Onondaga, Seneca, Southern Cayuga and Yates, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lackawanna and Luzerne. Freeze warning in effect from 11 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Sunday. What? Sub-freezing temperatures as low as 29 expected. Where? In Pennsylvania, Lackawanna and Luzerne counties. In New York, Yates, Seneca, Southern Cayuga and Onondaga counties. When? From 11 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Sunday. Impacts: freeze conditions will kill crops, another sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. To prevent freezing and possible bursting of outdoor water pipes, they should be wrapped, treated, or allowed to drip slowly. Those that have in-ground sprinkler systems should drain them and cover above-ground pipes to